Welcome back again. Communication and competence. Okay, again, you will need to read this for yourselves. You don't need me to do a lot of reading on this for you. Okay, so again, I'm going to just step through it. Now remember, in regards to letter writing, it should always be structured, and it should always be professional, so use a professional template at all times. Again, answer the question, because these will come back to you as part of your online testing. Okay, thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.